Welcome back. We're now going to change the model to ChatGPT 4 with Canvas. We're now going to ask ChatGPT to do is to use the transcripts in order to create a 5,000 character summary article. And we're going to use that summary article inside of 11 Labs. Now we're going to use ChatGPT Canvas in case we have to come back to shorten or lengthen the article. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to do the work. Once we have all of the content, we're then going to take it and move it over to 11 Labs. And this is going to be one of the few things that we're going to need to do outside of ChatGPT, mainly because ChatGPT, as of the recording of this video, does not do text-to-speech. So we're going to close this element. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. We're going to paste our text inside of 11 Labs. And we're going to try to adhere to the 5,000 character limit. It looks like we have gone over our limit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and shorten our text. So we're going to go back, we're going to go to our tools, we're going to adjust the length, and we're going to shorten our document. We're going to allow ChatGPT to make it shorter. And once we do that, we're going to copy the entire document. And we're going to head back to 11 Labs. We're going to clean up the additional punctuation. Once the punctuation is complete, we can now gather this information and head over to 11 Labs. We're going to choose the voice, and we're going to leave the default settings as they are. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Generate Speech, and we are going to have to listen in real time so that we can determine and make any corrections that need to be made, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.